Say something before I say this. Just give me some minutes. Get it. My name, Afambo, and I'm online. Let it go viral. Afambo, venerable gifts, Esele, robot. Afam, Abogomafa, Benam, Esele. Abromonyi Igbo, Abumonyi Edo State. Tomorrow, as a church, after doing repentance, we're going to take some decisions concerning the Igbo nation on this altar. Hear me. Abronwa Igbo. Mana abugonwa Igbo. Pay attention. People can say Igbo. Oyena Igbo, onwa Igbo ka yawo. Oyena si udi Igbo, onwa Igbo ka bura onwa Igbo. Pay attention. Hear me. Let me show you something. Don't miss tomorrow. The time for the Igbos have come. Listen. One of the greatest mistakes Madu Warikeme is not to be sensitive at the appointed time, or to be sleeping when God has remembered him. When God has remembered you, or when God is saying it is your set time of remembrance, or is your set time for visitation. I will tell you about that covenant. Have you asked yourself? Have you asked yourself? Have you ever asked yourself? Give me Bakara, Mbanuraya Biafra, have you asked yourself? Even though the word have you asked yourself? Have you asked yourself how we are the Biafran soldiers able to manufacture local weapons to fight? Have you asked yourself that question? But how we are they manufacturing weapons? Have you asked yourself that question? The other, I brought my problem, and we're going to go see you. And pay attention. Anambra, Imo, Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi, Ineba. Look up. Oram state Kafamana, Nigeria. Ask him, Biafra state, the state. Which state? Ununogweba. Oram state Kafamana, Nigeria. Or Kanu. Unusro Kanu. Or Kaduna. Or Ibadan. Can't call. Listen, look up. There. Na Abuja di God the ta Bundione. Na Kano di God the Bundione. Na Lagos di God Igbo pussy importation. That sea the close. Na Lagos di God the Bundione. Pay attention. Ije Lagos full 50-story building or the 10 Igbo with 8. Ina anu yam na Ijagano fu nenu on the nenu awan. In an even nenu my wilaya nenu. Mado nesiko na state also biaru nenu na Igbo. Ba fo nyawa. Keda fo nyawa. Ona ma fo nyawa. Watch this. Listen. Anocha Yaseb Anibo. So say Chineke Bebri na bomba bam metu gwebone metro like cathedral now. Now anuchala lile buchandebu. Pay attention. Boa unogo maybe unogo maybe everywhere. Can you look back into our state? Anya dikandi anusuraga. Anya dikeba nuraga. Kedindi na ya na street eye. Kedindi na you on a street time. I can't hear you. Do you know what has helped the Igbo man? Do you know what has helped the Igbo man? Covenant. Now, Drum sim onye bonyi Igbo. Drum ya. Ndi Igbo bundi Israel. I will bless them who bless Igbo, and I will curse them who curse Igbo. Pay attention. Ndi Igbo bu gini ndi Israel. We are the missing tribe of Israel. Nenamaya ondo cha kuzurunu ke ese ebi ubu. Ana majunu. Tupu ndo cha bia unu na ebi ubu. Ofa kuzurunu ke ese ebi ubu. Ngwa wilanya gelu. Ima ifa na akpọ ofo na Igbo. Imeba mutara ya. Onye na-ejide ofo na Igbo. Okenye. Onye na-ejide ofo na Israel. Icho kangawa yiru. Nkọwara gị ihe. Nkọwara gị. As long as Israel cannot go down, the Igbo nation cannot go down. So they are fighting in vain. They are fighting in vain. They are gathering in vain. They shall kill themselves. They shall fight themselves. They shall kill themselves. Let me end. Hear me. They close their border. Did they close your destiny? Answer my question. Who they close their border? Did they close your destiny? They close importation. Did they close your destiny? The buy Igbo Miri. And I did a Miriaka. It is a Yakafua. We shall stand taller than them. Hear me. I prophesy to Igbo nation. Your son is rising. Your son is rising. Your son is rising. Your son is rising. Your son shall shine. Let me end. Hear me. Hear me. Let it go viral. Hear me. Oxford University has approved Igbo language. Ana akuzi asusu Igbo na Oxford University. Ntogisi abichi odione ikiniwem. Iwe ikiniwem ugbu. Ntogisi gini bu damfe ikiniwem. Gini wasusu ikiniwem. Gini bu muffin ikiniwem. Gini bu inu ndi Igbo ikiniwem. Hear me. Our destiny shall shine.